is impossible to improve our communication, collaboration, and the necessary competencies between workers in the same project without learning a few things about feedback. Feedback is giving evaluations of the work done among team members or receiving evaluations or criticisms about the work and behavior generated. The positive one has the power to motivate, reinforcing positiveness, good behavior, and the negative one is about identifying behaviors or tasks that need to be changed. Keep an open mind, being able to recognize errors. Don't take feedback personally. It is not an attack, threat, or humiliation. Use the feedback to start a self-analysis. Don't try to justify why any situation behaviors generate the feedback. Don't focus on the person. Focus on how a task is done and not on how someone has done it. Create the right atmosphere to talk about it. This is important as finding the right thing to say to the right person. Be specific on what you have observed, what needs to be changed, or what you think is well done.